The CUB H16LE is CUB's boldest hybrid yet, an advanced evolution of the trusted H16. It comes with advanced off-grid capability, premium finishes, and a rugged exterior finish. The LE is built in limited numbers for travellers who want more style, more comfort, and more freedom. The CUB H16 limited edition features the hot dip galvanised chassis, and the Cruisemaster ATX airbag suspension allows you to travel in comfort and safety. An OGO composting toilet and a 3000 watt inverter upgrade your off-grid capability. The 300 amp hour off-grid pack and the air conditioner allows you to live in comfort off-grid. The limited edition colour scheme includes the grey side panels, raptor coated panels, and cushion and floor colour schemes that are limited to the H16LE. The H16LE comes standard with two 100 litre water tanks and is also pre-wired to accept additional batteries should you decide later on. The black colour scheme continues throughout the LE with black tapware, all the fittings inside, and also the raptor coated drawbar. Get your CUB H16LE today.